bear market. And unfortunately, within the crypto industry, we don't know when it will be ended. Yeah, so probably we can go down or we can go up. It's very unpredictable.
Even though the market is still so unpredictable, Bitcoin could just pull off a green September. And Cosmos is looking to pull off nothing but green with its new white paper. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Make sure that you are liked, subscribed, and notified for when we drop our latest content. And you could earn some massive bonuses and perks on Binance through our exclusive Altcoin Buzz offer and trading competition. You can get the deets in the link below. Now let's dive into today's headlines. There's no secret to the crypto market's unpredictability on top of being in a bear market. But the truth is that the bear market will force survival of the fittest for all crypto projects.
We also think that within bear market, usually the strongest projects appear. We saw the same actually within the previous bear market. So we think that those projects that will survive the bear market and that will appear right now, they will definitely be the strongest within the next bull market.
And as for Bitcoin, in a welcome turn of events, BTC has briefly reclaimed $20,000. And even though this modest movement hasn't exactly snapped Bitcoin sideways trading, it has given some hope to a possible green September, which would be the first time since 2016. Nonetheless, the only way that's going to happen is if it holds on to 20K by Friday. And this doesn't mean it's time to get all excited. In fact, most analysts are worried that this slight increase could bait over-optimistic investors, as Bitcoin's bottom is still awaiting to be seen. The Metaverse has finally taken massive steps to open up big box store experiences. Walmart, who's been testing virtual stores this year and launched its own WMT cryptocurrency, has announced that it will be debuting 2 immersive experiences on the Roblox Mega Metaverse platform. And guess what they're going to call them? Walmart Land and Walmart's Universe of Play. How original! But this video previewing the Walmart Metaverse does look pretty fun. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. Credit cards and crypto are really starting to come together these days, and this new credit card provider has upped the ante with a super fun NFT integration. Mastercard has launched the world's first NFT customizable credit card through the Hi crypto and fiat financial app. Hi card holders can add blue chip digital artwork and avatars that they own to their own payment card, from CryptoPunks and Bored Apes to Moonbirds and Azukis. While a fun little feature, at the moment it is only available for Gold Card members. You've probably been wondering, what's Cosmos up to now? Now, to be honest, it's kind of a big deal. Like I've been saying, many networks are working hard to come out of this bear market bigger and better. And Cosmos sounds like it's about to blow the lid off of this market. First of all, the Cosmos community is working on revamping the entire Cosmos hub by improving its interoperability between all of its blockchains and rebuilding Atom tokenomics. In the network's newly released white paper, Cosmos says that security and new forms of revenue are at the forefront of the network revamping, with its hub being at the center of a new interchain security feature and new forms of liquid staking tokens, giving new functionality to the ecosystem. Because right now, the Cosmos Hub does not generate any protocol revenue. No money, no funny. And through this unheard of level of economic rebuild, Cosmos developers say that Atom holders will finally benefit from the growth of the ecosystem. Now, we're doing a deep dive on why Cosmos will likely explode from this rebuild, so keep your eyes peeled this week, especially if you've got your hands on or planning to get your Atom bag. For all the crypto good, we're still going to get some crypto not so good. And right now, things are looking not so good for the US dollar coin Stablecoin. Now, it all started with the Terra crisis this spring and how its UST algorithmic stablecoin went poof overnight, which gave the crypto community a bad taste for stablecoins. where we saw many lose their dollar peg, including USDC. But things really went downhill when virtual currency mixer Tornado Cash was sanctioned last month by the US Treasury's office for hundreds of millions of dollars in money laundering, forcing the creator of USDC, Circle, to freeze all USDC wallets. And with Binance ditching USDC from its crypto exchange, it's hard to wonder how much more the stablecoin can endure. Now, can USDC build itself back up to Tether or Binance USD levels? Which one's your favorite? Or maybe, which one do you think is more reliable? Let me know below. That's it for your altcoin buzz news update. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you need more insights for your crypto investing, then all you gotta do is smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you get all our latest content. And don't forget that you could earn $600 in bonuses and 20% off trading fees on Binance through our exclusive Altcoin Buzz offer. And we've even got a new sweet trading competition with Binance where you could win a share of $1,000 and prizes for the best traders and lucky draw winners. Don't sleep on this. Get the details in the link below. And before you go, here are more updates and deep dives on our channel. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.